Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. So guys, if you are Instagram user and want to create your broadcast channel in your Instagram chat, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to check your internet connection firstly. So guys, as you can see here, I have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if you have not connected yet, you need to connect it. And guys, if you are using mobile data, simply you have to turn on your mobile data. And guys, after doing this, you have to open your app store, and guys, you need to check for update on Instagram. So guys, if you have not updated your Instagram app, you need to update it first. So guys, as you can see here, I have updated version. So guys, after this, simply you have to open your Instagram app. And guys, after opening your app, simply you have to click on this chat icons, means messenger. And guys, after this, how to create your broadcast channel, simply you have to click on this edit button. And guys, from here you need to select all the friends that you want to edit in your broadcast channel. And guys, simply you, after selecting all the friends, simply you have to create chat. And guys, after this you will be able to create your new broadcast channel. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.